Hello kids, how are you all? I hope that all are fit and fine at home. Okay, so I am taking your English grammar, and it's for the both standard. Okay, there is a fourth and fifth. Okay, standard fourth and fifth. The subject is English grammar. Okay, there is a many topics like that, just like a paragraph writing, letter writing, notice writing, diary entry. Okay, it's a in our English grammar. Okay, there is a topic of the paragraph writing. Okay, paragraph writing means there is a one type of paragraph writing is an art. So student develop their mind, develop their creativity, develop their ability. Okay, so because of the paragraph writing, it is one type of art, and they develop their own. Okay, it's a one. So paragraph writing, they have many topics. Okay, many topics, many incidents, many festival, many things they can write their own. Okay, just like my pet dog. Okay, just like we can write the Independence Day, just like we can write the visit to the zoo. Okay, and any topics. Okay, the atmospheres also depend on them. Okay, the winter's night, the summer's day. Okay, the rainy season, they can write anything. Okay, depend on their own mind. So now the paragraph writing, some following points. Okay, some following points in your, and which is you in your, you take your in mind. Okay, you set in your mind, then you write the paragraph writing. Okay, so there is a make a chain to ideas while writing. Okay, make a chain. Okay, some topic means it's a continued chain, become a chain of this topic. Okay, if there is any topic, the my pet dog, then you can write with only on this topic. Okay, only all the lining including this topic. Okay, so the paragraphs will be the theme based. Okay, the theme of this paragraph is mainly important. Okay, and we can write on we continue, we catch this point. Okay, we catch this theme. Okay, and don't add any new points. Okay, do miss if there is any some specific topic, then don't add there any other topic. Okay, so it may be your paragraph of week. Okay, so miss it's a rules that you can know, then you can keep in your mind when you write the paragraph. Okay, a link should be maintained. Okay, to the sequence. Okay, sequence one by one going to in sequence. Okay, means the last line not come in first, and the first line not go to last. Okay, just like that. And you use a simple and understandable word. Okay, use a simple words. Okay, not a very hard and congested word. No. Okay, you can write with a simple and understandable word. Okay, write meaningful sentence. Okay, if you take something, if you base on some specific topic, then you go there with the some the meaningful sentence. Okay, the meaningful sentence you can use that. Okay, and avoid the repetition. Okay, then you can write the one sentence, then you can write other. Don't write again and again. Means don't avoid. Means you avoid the repetition. Okay, so there is a very use simple and understandable words. Okay, and it's based on theme and depend on theme. Okay, then you know. Okay, there is a many topic, then you can write with the paragraph writing. Okay, then we are on the next topic of, it's a very important topic. Okay, letter writing. Letter writing is very important because it's a very useful to many places. Okay, then you can write a letter, means it's a written work. Okay, it's a permission for the permission, okay, to give information. Okay, you can write anything in your letter. Okay, so now we are on the letter writing. Letter writing. Letter writing is one of the way that it is a communicate with our near and dear friend. Okay, with the writing letter. Okay, so it's there is two types of letter there. There is one is the formal and second is the one is the formal and second is informal. Okay, two types of means there in case informal letter we can write short forms. Okay, and there is a informal, then you write the shorter, and informal letter we need to form. Okay, so there is in this applied a formal letter. It is not essential to write the sender's address. Okay, it is the top left and the case we don't the date will some come after the receiver's address. Okay, so now there is some topics that you must follow, then you write the letter writing. Okay, the first is the sender's address. Okay, you write the letter, but whom? Okay, but whom? The address of return without putting a comma after the number of your house. Okay, this is the full address. We know if then you write the letter, then you know the sender's full address. Okay, then you write first you write the address of the senders. Okay, then you write the date, in the end of the address, then you write the date also most important things there, because in writing the date it comes the first, following by the month and the year. Okay, no comma used between and the year. Okay, you can write with just like 11th December 2020. Then you can write only letters only, just like 11 dash 12 dash 2020. So it's depend on you. Okay, how to write the date. Date also important, means when you write, okay, on which date you send this letter. Okay, so it's also important. Then the receiver's address, then you write the receiver's address. Okay, so then you sender's address, first you write the sender's address, then date, then the receiver address, means who received this letter. Okay, who means the sender write to this letter to whom. Okay, so as the letter of the address is the head of the institution. Okay, the word that just like principal sir. Okay, the institution, then it should be written. Okay, notice the spelling and the word the principal sir, just like that. Okay, so then you write this. Okay, then after there is a subject. Okay, subject is what is the subject. Okay, it's an informal or formal subject, then it's a depend on you. Okay, if you get a permission to your parents, if you give some information to someone. Okay, if you give any information. Okay, so there is a which introduced before solutions. Okay, now then after the body of this letter is very also important, means you can go, subject is in only one line, there is means the permission of this. Okay, to take a grant of this, just like they give a permission. Okay, then body, it's going to in a detail. Okay, what's the reason to write this letter, it's a important things, and you can write in this body. Okay, then after, if you complete the body, then after you leave taking. Okay, leave taking means then you write any last paragraph. Okay, it means you thankful. Okay, you thanking you. Okay, thanking you means the thank you. You can write the yours faithfully, your lovingly, you can write that and you can sign down. So it's a just like then you write this letter writing. Okay, then after we are on the notice writing. Okay, notice writing also the same like the letter writing. Then we are going in detail. Then we are on the notice writing. Okay, notice writing means it is a very important. Okay, so what is a notice? Okay, what is a notice? Here is the topic is notice writing. Okay, so what is a notice? Notice is the common method. It's a common method to communicate. Okay, it make us aware of any situation, any information. Okay, and even which going to take place. Okay, so it's a notice is generally displayed to make for a public just like aware of the any situation, aware of the any importance notice. Hence it is very important. Okay, as you given information right manner. Okay, so there is a notice. There is a notice just like the people write that there is a notice also important. Okay, very important, information just like it is a notice. Okay, then mostly a institute, mostly a office, they give to their staff member. Okay, they give to the any other. There is some notice given by to the some big leaders of the country, of the state. Okay, so it's a notice. Okay, if it is a written, there is a notice is always a written in a box. There is a one type of box, then you write the notice inside it. Okay, write in the educational institute, the name of the what is the education who write this notice. Okay, and the word notice is capital, must be capital. Notice word is always in a capital. So it's a very important things. Okay, then date, the heading and the signature. So which is the method is very important. Okay, if you give notice to any other, then you can write this type of. Okay, you can use a box there. Then the first you write the notice in capital. Then you education. Then the education means the any institute, name of the institute, name of the any country, name of the any company. Okay, so which is very important. Okay, so notice writing is very important for this. Okay, so which is also write with a good manner. Okay, so it's notice writing is over. Then we are on the next topic is diary entry. Diary entry also important. Okay, we know about this diary writing. Okay, we can see our parents who mostly use this, and they use the diary for their daily routine work. Okay, then we are on that. Okay, diary entry is very important for anyone. Okay, so it's a short writing skill. Okay, then you can use at a daily routine. Okay, mostly people use that, and it's a short skill, short writing skill. There is a diary entry which is individual used. Okay, it's used for individual and a personal document. Okay, you can write anything. You can write a data. Okay, just like a data there. Then you can save it in a diary. So it's a personal document, and it's the record of an individual account of his or her life. Okay, his account of a day of his or her life. Okay, so any data. Okay, you can buy a money for what. Okay, then it's you can write in a diary. Okay, then at the end you can get total there. It's a diary means it's a, you know the data, okay, how much money you can use. If there is a diary, you can write for your homework also, means the which day, one day by day, which work, okay, you can do at home. Okay, if there is a diary, means a diary for the many things, means you get some special subject, okay, then which subject you write in which timing. It's a one type of very personal document. Okay, so there is a first in a diary which is there is a not just like a one page, it's a lots of page in a diary. Okay, diary means it's a one type of diary, means a short diary. Mostly people use the short diary. Why it is? Because they use the to in daily routine, and they use the to put in a pocket mostly and a purse. So they mostly use a short diary. Means there first you write the date, on which date you write that, then there is a day, then after a time, okay, and then there is a you can write anything, you buy some data, you buy, then you can write any document, then you can write any data, okay, and then the writer's name. Okay, so you know on which date you can what you can do. Okay, and it's a personal letter, just like one type of information. Okay, so which is good. Okay, so both all are very important. Okay, paragraph writing, which is the personal view, you can write with the personal view. Then a letter writing means you can get a permission, it's a formal also. Then you give a notice to anyone. Okay, means the give a information to anyone. It's a one type of notice writing. Then a diary, which is the personal document. Okay, you can use it for a personal account. So it is over. It's for the English grammar. Okay, so now our topic is the paragraph writing, letter writing, notice writing, and diary entry is over for the standard 4th and 5th both. Okay, now is the chapter over. Okay, thank you.